Okay, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we will present about bridging technology and justice, the role of AI in law enforcement through Pancasila ideals. Okay, before we start our presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Satyang Reni, and there is my friend Anissa Tunjung Jayanti. We are from University of Muhammadiyah, Magelang. For artificial intelligence considering the role of computer program and tools. This integration has application like predictive core decision system and including heightened accuracy and speed enforcement and ethical consideration in value. This suggests that of necessity and professionally development of AI law enforcement through the lens of research. No evolution of our industry across the globe AI, the process of law enforcement and justice trial and equitable justice. Question arises about its components individual nature to the framework of ancestry. Philosophical community successfully arise ensure that this is particularly seen in socioeconomic communities that traditionally develop equality to prevent the misuse or unintended biases. And that is that the form of so I okay, let's use a correlative research approach within the frame of artificial intelligence in law enforcement through the ILM analysis. The study explored the legal framework and AI in Indonesia. This approach named the Pancasila cultural. Okay, Anissa.
Philosophical basis of Pancasila serves as Indonesian philosophical foundation. This principle, the first is belief in democracy, shape the ethical and moral framework within which AI must operate. The first ideals is belief in one supreme God. This principle demands that AI respect universal ethical standards and moral value upheld by Indonesian diverse religious tradition. For instance, AI tools must include safeguards to ensure decisions do not violate moral boundaries or religious sensitive. The second is a just and civilized humanity. Law enforcement must prioritize fairness and human dignity. AI system can support this by minimizing biases in judicial process, ensuring equal treatment, and offering transparent decision-making mechanism. About ideals about unity of Indonesia, in a diverse nation, law enforcement must promote national cohesion. AI can help achieve this by harmonizing legal practices across regions, reducing disparity, and facilitating inclusive access to legal resources. The fourth principle is democracy guided by inner wisdom. As public participation and transparency are essential, for example, AI should involve stakeholder consultation during its deployment and ensure its algorithm and operate are comprehensible to the public. And the last principle is about social justice for all Indonesia. This principle mandates eliminating inequality in justice access, AI efficiency in handling cases, and evidence can make justice more accessible, provided its implementation is closely monitored to avoid perpetuating systemic biases. The second part is about trend of AI application on the effectiveness of law enforcement. So globally, AI has proven effective in enhancing law enforcement through predictive policing, automated evidence analysis, and other tools. In Indonesia, this technology presents an opportunity to address long-standing issues such as case backlogs, procedural inefficiency, and inequality limitation in other countries. For, for example, the first in the US or United States predict forecast potential to predict a face in data such as such as identifying patterns in financial crime. For instance, the series front office employs Raven to process millions of documents quickly, enabling faster identification of relevant evidence. In China, AI is extensively integrated into the judicial system through platform like the Intelligent Trial Assistance System or ITAS. The system helps transcribe court proceedings such as legal reference and even provide draft judgment. This innovation have been implemented in smart courts across Beijing and Shanghai to improve efficiency and reduce trial times. In Estonia, digital-first approach includes the use of Prat AI, which supports small claims dispute resolution, can-driven platform facilitates automated decision-making in minor legal disputes, reducing the workload on courts and increasing access to justice for citizens. Next slide. Our discussion Pancasila movement based on payment must be measured against the value and inclusivity. Basic designation from a global AI can drive meaningful reform in this AI system when error in judicial decision. For example, says recidivist risk demonstrate how AI can systemize criticism of bias in Compass. Its framework offers insight for developing systems that align with fairness principle by addressing biases in data and ensuring equal treatment across diverse demographics. Indonesia can leverage similar AI solutions to standardize sentencing process and reduce disparity in justice administration. About the point of the human unity, by harmonizing legal practices, for instance, and automating minor legal standard. In Indonesia, where geographical AI can unify judicial practices while respecting regional nuances. Systems like ITES in China further demonstrate how AI can centralize legal sources and reduce regional inequality, ensuring broader access to justice. Among the inclusivity, AI tools such as legal chatbot and automated assistant platform empower individuals to navigate legal process independently, addressing barriers faced by marginalized groups. For instance, the UK Raven system enables efficient evidence analysis, freeing up resources to address cases involving vulnerable population. Indonesia could implement similar technology tailored to local needs, such as multilingual AI system for regions with diverse language to bridge gaps in the legal literacy and access. Ultimately, aligning AI development with Pancasila value requires a robust regulatory framework that emphasizes transparency, accountability, and inclusivity. Regular audits and public consultation are essential to ensure AI system to evolve meet social expectation and ethical standard. So about the conclusion will deliver by Dita.
The evolution of artificial intelligence in which business and earth means. As a result, in particularly beyond generation as an interactive and adaptivity as well as the help the government data in order to develop a skill and employee access to just language knowledge among many other applications that AI development reflected the present of AI can provide a change of transformations. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. See you